In this video, I'll show you the best way to use small neodymium magnets so they hold metal items that are many times their size and weight. I will also show you a simple trick to stop heavy objects from sliding on, say, a refrigerator door. So if sliding magnets is something that irritates you, even when using strong magnets, then keep watching. This neodymium magnet block consists of 27 small 10 by 10 by 10 mm cube magnets, with each individual magnet having a pull force rating of N35, which is more than powerful enough for most household uses. They are pretty versatile, can be used for sticking all sorts of things to the fridge door, in the office for organising stationery, and has great utilitarian uses for workshops and tool sheds for organising tools and more. These magnets make child's play of sticking paper clips to a fridge door, although I don't know why you would want to do that, and post-it notepads and more. But what of those more heavier objects? You could simply double up by using two more magnets. Often, however, it's not the strength of the magnet that's the problem, but the fact that you're trying to hold an object onto a smooth vertical surface that offers little or no friction. Hence, sometimes even the strongest magnets will slide. Here I have a set of 10 solid steel Allen keys that are quite heavy, but as you can see, it won't hold firm as it slides down the fridge door. A simple solution is to use a thin material that offers high friction, such as latex. Here I use a standard rubber kitchen glove. Of course, you only need a small piece between the magnet and the fridge surface, and as you can see, it easily holds firm. Here the heavy metal box again, but this time I use the kitchen glove to add some friction. No problem there. But there is an even more efficient way to use neodymium magnets, so they hold objects that are much bigger and heavier than their own size. And that's by sticking the magnets to the underside of a horizontal surface and allowing metal objects to stick to the underside of the magnets. To demonstrate, I use a steel kitchen knife with some common household tools. As you can see, they hold very strong. These magnets are really useful to have around the home, and it makes a great gift too. You can pick up this 27-piece cube block at the web address that you see on the screen. However, if you check the description to this YouTube video, you'll find a link to a limited time promotional offer giving you 10% off, valid until current stocks run out. Delivery times are 1 to 3 working days throughout the US.